Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to our today's maths class. Chapter number 7 Coordinate Geometry, Part 8 of class 10. Till previous video students we have finished the midpoint as well as trisectional points, all those things. Today we are going to discuss a new topic, that is centroid of a triangle. So let us discuss what is this centroid. Nothing but here I am considering one triangle PQR where P points are x1 y1, Q is x2 y2 and R is x3 y3. Like this we are taking points, and now first I am drawing from P to this side PQ one perpendicular. Next to this side PQ from R we are drawing another perpendicular, and from Q we are drawing one more perpendicular to the side PR. Now in the middle you are getting a center point. This center point itself is a centroid of a triangle. Now let us see how you have to find this centroid. Nothing but one formula is there, that is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Nothing but you have to add the x coordinates one side and by 3. Similarly y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is the centroid formula. See the question students. 10th question till 9th one we have finished. Now see 10th one. Find the centroid of a triangles with vertices. Here 3 vertices are given and we have to find the centroid. Let us find the first one. What is the question? -1 comma 3, 6 comma -3 and -3 comma 6. See here students, this is the solution of 10th bit first one. Here the points are given -1 comma 3, 6 comma -3 and -3 comma 6. Let us do the solution. First we have to take, let the given points be P is equals to -1 comma 3. I am taking these points as P, Q, R. Hence P equals to -1 comma 3, Q is equals to 6 comma -3 and R is equals to -3 comma 6. Hence they are x1 y1. These points are x1 y1, x2 y2. x2 value is 6, y2 value is -3. Similarly this is x3 y3. Nothing but x3 value is -3 and y3 value is 6. Let us find the centroid. We know that the formula of centroid of a triangle. What is the formula of centroid of a triangle? It is Cx comma y is equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is the centroid formula. By using this centroid formula, let us find. Substitute the values of x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. So see here student, this is the substitution. First, what is x1 here? It is -1. So write -1 plus x2 value is 6. So write plus 6 plus x3 we have to write. x3 is here -3. Nothing but write -3 in brackets, whole divided by 3 comma y1. What is y1? It is 3. So write here 3 plus y2 is here -3. So plus of -3 plus y3 value is 6. So write here 6 by divided by 3. Now this is -1 as it is, plus 6 is also as it is. Now plus into minus is, this is -3 whole divided by 3 comma 3 plus into minus is again -3. So 3 minus 3 plus 6 divided by 3. Now this is -1 -3 is -4. If both minus is there, then what we have to do? We have to add them. So it is -4 plus 6 divided by 3 comma this 3 minus 3 will be 0 plus 6 as it is divided by 3. So it is -4 plus 6 will be 2 by 3 comma this is 0 plus 6 is 6 by 3 students. So 3 ones are 3 twos are. Hence centroid is 2 by 3 comma 2. This is the centroid of 10th bit first one. Similarly, you have to do another 2. See in the textbook, students, remaining 2 you can do. Now I am doing 11th one. See the question. Find the point a x comma y when C divides AB in the ratio 2:3. Points B and C are given as minus 5 comma 8 and 3 comma 6. Let us do the solution. This is the solution of 11th one, students. See here, I have drawn one figure. A to B, it is one line, and C is dividing this line, and the point C is already given 3 comma 6, point B is already given minus 5 comma 8, and A is given x comma y. This point C is dividing the line AB in the ratio 2:3. Nothing but here we have to use the section formula. What is the section formula, students? It is P x comma y is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is the section formula. By using this section formula, we will find the value of A. Here you have to find the value of A. In the previous questions, what you will had find means you had find this middle one by using this section formula P x comma y. Nothing but here P value, that is x comma y, this value is given. You have to find this x1 y1. So let us write here whatever is given. By given m1 is to m2 is equals to 2:3. Here given ratio is there, students, that is m1 is to m2 equals to 2:3, and P x comma y value is given as C value, that is 3 comma 6, and x1 y1 is A x comma y, and x2 y2 is B minus 5 comma 8. Now let us substitute all these values in this section formula, then you will get the value of this x comma y, that is A point. See here, I have done the substitution. First here we have to write the value of C, that is in the middle, it is 3 comma 6. So here write 3 comma 6 is equals to m1, that is m1 x2. m1 is here 2 and m2 is 3, students. So m1 x2 value is minus 5. Based on this I am writing 2 into minus 5 plus m2 is 3. So 3 into x1, nothing but here x. So write 3 into x by 2 plus 3, that is m1 plus m2, 2 plus 3. Next, similarly here m1 y2. y2 value is here, students, given 8 and y1 is x. So similarly here you will get 2 into 8 plus 3 into y by 2 plus 3, that is m1 plus m2. Next, see here 2 into minus 5 is, it is minus 10 plus 3 into x is 3x by 2 plus 3 is 5 comma 2 into 8 is 16 plus 3 into y is, students, 3y by 2 plus 3 is 5. So see here in this step I am doing by comparing. Nothing but here we are comparing this 3 with minus 10 plus 3x by 5 and this 6 with 16 plus 3y by 5. So here by comparing you will get 3 is equals to minus 10 plus 3x by 5 and 6 equals to 16 plus 3y by 5. Now multiply this 5 with 3, what you will get, 3 5s are 15, and take this side, it is minus 10 plus 3x equals to 15, and from here 3x is equals to 15, and send this minus and this side, it will become plus 10. 15 plus 10 is, it is 25, students. So 3x equals to 25, and send this 3 this side, it will become x equals to 25 by 3. Nothing but here in this point x comma y, the x is 25 by 3. Next, again same process, 6 5 is 30 you will get, and 16 plus 3y equals to 30, and send this 16 this side, it will become 30 minus 16. 30 minus 16 is 14, students. So 3y is equals to 14. Now y is equals to 14 by 3. How by 3 means, take this 3 this side, it will come in the denominator. Therefore the point A is 25 by 3 and y is 14 by 3. Therefore the required point A x comma y is equals to 25 by 3 comma 14 by 3. In the last you have to write this. This is the solution of 11th one. See in the textbook, students, your today's homework is this 10th bit, remaining 2. Same do as first one and 12th one. So today's section is over, students. Do the homework and send it to your groups.